started our journey from Kash, a beautiful small hilltop town on the Turkish Riviera. Leaving behind the scenic streets of Kash, we began our journey towards Kekova Island, the Sunken City, and Simena Castle. One of the most unique day trips you can take along the Turkish Riviera. During the journey, we have seen so many greenhouses there. We booked a private boat tour from Demre harbor, approximately 30 to 40 minutes drive from Kash. Kekova is a small Turkish island near the Demre district of Antalya province, which faces the villages of Kaleköy, formerly known as Simena, and Turquoise. This region is renowned for its crystal clear water, turquoise blue water, and the submerged ruins of the ancient Lycian city of Dolichiste, most commonly known as the Sunken City. Kekova has an area of 4.5 square kilometer. In ancient times, it was known as Dolichiste. Dolichiste is a Greek word. Dolichiste was once a lively Lycian town and an important trading center. It was part of the Lycian League, a group of city-states that dates all way back to the around 2000 BC. In the 2nd century, a series of devastating earthquakes caused part of Dolichiste to submerge beneath the Mediterranean Sea, leading to the creation of the Sunken City. The boat glided slowly over the turquoise waters, and we could see parts of old stone buildings, stairs, and harbor walls beneath the surface, all ruins from the thousands of years ago. The clarity of the sea offers a unique opportunity to view these ancient ruins. It was a breathtaking experience to view the sunken city from our boat. To preserve this archaeological site, swimming and diving exactly over the sunken city are prohibited. get there. We are living in Kash. From there, we booked a private tour. They drove us to Demre Harbor, and we got on a boat from Demre Harbor to travel around Kekova Island and Simena Island. It was a 2.5 hour boat tour for us. You can also book for half a day or for full day. You can also swim during your boat tour, except in the Sunken City. At the time, I was so mesmerized by the color of the water. Isn't it so beautiful? Now we'll be heading towards Kaleköy village to see Simena Castle. Kaleköy in ancient times was known as Simena. In Turkish, Kaleköy literally means castle village. The history of Simena dates back to as far as the 4th century BC, with the origin of the castle itself going back to the Roman and Byzantine periods. It is said to have been built to fend off pirates who threatened to invade the area. Simena is located on the peninsula opposite Kekova Island. When we got down in the small Kaleköy harbor, we followed the sign which pointed us in the right direction to climb to the Simena Castle. You have to climb hundreds of stairs to reach the castle. Make sure to bring a bottle of water and wear lots of sunscreen. You will be exposed to the sun for most of the hike, and the climb is a good workout, I must say. While hiking towards the castle from the shore by a steep path, many ruins of structures, rock tombs, and sarcophagi can be seen. When you reach the top of the castle, there is a theatre carved into the rock with 7 rows of seats and the capacity of about 300 people. But sadly enough, when we visited, restoration work was going on, so we didn't reach the top. We visited at the beginning of February and it was not crowded at all. It seemed like we were the only few people there at that time. It really was quite breathtaking. We would love to go back someday and explore around that area some more. Now we back towards our boat, and the day was about to end. But today, I can remember every minute of our boat tour, our hiking towards the Simena Castle. It was a very special day. The combination of natural beauty, deep history, and pleasant charm made this one of the best parts of our time in the Turkish Riviera. I will cherish this forever, and I think I will get back there soon.